Dear students, I welcome you all to Become a Good Problem Solver event organized by the GEM Foundation. In this video, we will see the solution for BGPS Senior for grade 6 to 8 that has been published in July 2025. So, we'll apply the OPO technique for solving this problem. And earlier, I have shared some guiding questions for you to apply visual thinking using equal parts or algebraic thinking for solving this. Now, let's see how do we do systematically using the OPO technique. We'll read the math problem and underline as we go the important information. So Priya had three times as much money as Ramya. After purchasing a book for rupees 140, Priya found that Ramya had twice as much money as her. How much money did Ramya has now? So, as you read this question, you can ask for yourself some guiding questions to get clarity. For example, whose money is changing or has changed through this problem? It's Priya's money, right? Because Priya has bought a book for 140, therefore it got reduced. And whose money did not change in this problem? It's Ramya's money. So we'll first apply the visual thinking to understand how they are all related. So first we can maybe think that Ramya is having some money which we don't know. Maybe we can take two equal squares here to show this is Ramya's money. And then Priya has three times as much money. So every time when you get this three times as much money, you should be able to understand that who has more. Priya has more, and how much more? She has more by three times. So if she has Ramya has two, then Priya should be having three times, which is six. So one, two, three, four, and five, six. So it should be six squares that we need to shade for Priya. Priya I'm having for the green color. So after purchasing a book, Priya's money got less, right? And how much less is 140 rupees less? And then after it has become less, uh, let's say that it has become less by 140, and after it has become less, Ramya had twice as much money as Priya. So if we think that we don't know how much is Priya's money got less, maybe we can draw something less means a smaller. We don't know how much smaller, but it is smaller by 140 rupees, right? But there is another relation given that after it has become smaller, Ramya had twice as much money as Priya. So if you think that redraw this again, so Ramya is having two square blocks and Ramya is having twice as much money as Priya. So what does that mean is this is two times. Ramya is two times that of a Priya. So if Ramya has two blocks, then how many blocks you think Priya should have after buying the book? So this is before and this is after. So if Priya has just one block, then Ramya should be having two blocks because this is after. So I'll write it here. So this is before purchase and this is after purchase, right? So after purchase, she got two. She got half of Ramya, or Ramya got twice of Priya. So these are good terms that you have to interchangeably try using to make your understanding better. So now that you have drawn these two before and after, let's see what are the information that will help you identify. Right. So earlier, Priya had before buying she had one, two, three, four, five, six blocks, and after buying she got only one block. So basically, she bought for rupees 140 is what you know already. So here you can again ask some guiding questions that will help you work on this problem. So they are given only one information that Priya had bought for rupees 140, right? So you have to use that information cleverly. So here you can see that before she had six blocks, after she had only one block. And what does this change corresponds to? It corresponds to a book purchase of 140, which means 140 less. So six blocks with 140 less is equal to one block, right? So you can maybe try writing like six blocks minus 140 is one block. Like it has resulted in just one block. So from this, what can you understand is basically uh, if 6 block minus 140 is one block, then 5 blocks is actually 140 rupees, isn't it? Because after taking this 140, you can draw like this. You get only one block, and this is 140 rupees which she has bought. And after taking away 140, which is subtraction, you got only one block. So you can say that 5 blocks corresponds to 140 rupees. It's a very intuitive way of working with visual thinking that will give you kind of making it creative, right? So 5 blocks is 140, and immediately you have to think, what is that I'm looking for? I'm always looking for the question that is asked. In this case, it is asking how much money Ramya has. So how much money Ramya has is basically two square blocks in this case. So if you find the value for one square block, you should be able to find the value for two square blocks. And you already know how many 5 square blocks is equal to, like how much rupees it is equivalent to. So if 5 square blocks is 140 rupees, what is one square block? It is basically the same chocolate example I used to tell everyone. So if 5 chocolates cost rupees 10, what does one chocolate cost? You basically divide 100 by 5, right? So here again, you basically divide 140 divided by 5, and that will basically will be 28. So one block is 28 rupees. And the question is not asking you one block, but it is asking how much money did Ramya has. And Ramya is actually having two blocks. So then Ramya's money should be here. Ramya money is 2 times 28, and that is 56 rupees. Actually, students can indeed apply the algebraic thinking, which is a bit more powerful and simple to work on such problems. So we first chose this visual thinking in order to tell that how these things can be also solved visually. Now let's see how to solve this in algebraic thinking. So the first statement says Priya had 3 times as much money as Ramya. So let's say Ramya has some X money which we don't know. Priya will be having 3 times more, so which is 3x. After purchasing a book for rupees 140, so after purchase, Priya's money becomes 3x minus 140, and that is equivalent to. So basically, Priya thinks that after she bought the book, Ramya is having more, right? Ramya is having twice as much money as her. So what does that mean? Is Ramya's money changing? No, she's still having X, but how much she is having is twice as Priya's money after she has bought this book. So this is what she has bought the book. So Ramya is having twice as much money. So it is 2 times the Priya's money after buying the book is what Ramya is having. So this is the crucial part of translating the second part of the statement as an algebraic way in an expression. So and then equating it to x. So now if we apply the distributive property of multiplication, this becomes 6x minus 280 is x, and we want to find the x, so we collect the like terms towards the left hand side. So it becomes 6x minus x is 280, and then 5x is 280. So x now becomes so now you can see x has becomes 56 rupees, right? X is nothing but Priya's money. So we have directly figured out X as 56 rupees in the way of algebraic thinking, which is very simple. But please do have a visual thinking method also seen, because this will help you understand it a bit better. And those children who are not yet introduced to algebra, you still have a very good understanding through visual thinking, so that you can translate these statements quite well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please look forward for the next month. Become a good problem solver math problem, and please do participate and apply this upper technique and guiding question to solve it. Let's become a good problem solver, and all of you can become one. Thank you.